Fresh ugu leaves. So fresh. This is what you get when you come to the farm. Farm fresh. So you can see how she's plucking it from the stems. So actually in the bush or in the farm. See, you can see some cassava trees. You can see plantain. Yes, so this is a typical southern farm, live from River State. So we're going to use this to prepare some sauce for yam. One day they'll watch this video, they remember you. See, that's a fine woman. This is what we harvested. Lots of vegetables, very fresh. Ooh. Bumper house. Alright, so she's actually the owner of the farm, not me. So I came to enjoy from her farm. That's alright, let's go. This is pineapple, in case you don't know how pineapple grows. This is cocoyam. This is plantain plantation. So some more pineapples. Yes, pineapples. Apples, pine. Bitter leaf. Oh, here reminds me of my village.